Well, I'm Dr. Lady Sue Dale Tunnicliffe. My professional job is a reader in science education at University College London's Institute of Education. But I also am chairman of the Commonwealth Association of Science, Technology and Maths Educators, which is one of the Commonwealth's NGOs. And yesterday I had a message from the Governor-General, Lady Scotland, Patricia Scotland, to say next year the theme for the whole Commonwealth is working towards a common future, which is really what we're trying to do, isn't it? And we have an award system which needs reorganising, but these people, Findel, the international arm of Philip Harris, are interested in sponsoring it when the award would be equipment which they would send out to the Commonwealth people who were judged to be doing the most innovative and useful work, which will be working towards a common future in STEM education, in school, out of school. So this is a sort of taster and a thank you. And they asked me to give it to someone that was worthy of it. So I thought Antigua, which we've had a long association, haven't we? Many, many years of coming and visiting the schools. So that's what it's all about. So it's Castanet.
Fascinating. Thank you very much, Dr. Lady Sue Tunnicliffe. Mr. Spencer, if you can just briefly tell us how you feel about receiving such a gift and how you would utilize this in science within the schools or how you're working in.
Well, we would like to express gratitude to Lady Tunnicliffe for this presentation. We are hoping that this will be shared among the schools. This is a very important piece of equipment, and the idea is that it's one piece of equipment, but many schools can benefit from it. So the idea is that it will be housed at headquarters, but shared among the schools, and everyone can benefit from that.
Wonderful. Director, please give us your thoughts.
I just want to reiterate the gratitude that Mr. Spencer would have extended to Dr. Lady Tunnicliffe for choosing Antigua. She was careful to say that they asked her to give it to somebody, some deserving entity, and we are indeed grateful that she would have considered Antigua and Barbuda worthy of such a gift. I know that Dr. Lady Tunnicliffe and Antigua would have had a long-standing relationship. She has been coming here for a long time.
83.
Since 83, wow. And has been contributing to science education, has been providing books for Zone 4. And as we speak, we are seeking to clear some books that she would have brought for the Zone 4 schools here in Antigua. And so we just want to thank you for your continued support of our young people here in Antigua and Barbuda.
Well, they are the future.
They are the future, and this is about the future.
Absolutely.
Briefly, Mr. Spencer, and if you could help Dr. Lady Tunnicliffe, explain what this equipment is used for. What would they be using it for within the classroom?
This microscope is primarily to be used in the biology and perhaps the integrated science departments. Those probably will be the areas that benefit most from it, but it allows us to really see things which we would not be able to see. Details that are not visible to the naked eye will become visible using this piece of equipment.
Thank you very much.